To install the WeatherTech ImpactLiner in your truck bed, start by making sure that you have all of the necessary items for installation. With your purchase, you should have received the WeatherTech ImpactLiner, 2 TechHold ball and socket retention devices, and an alcohol wipe. You will also need mild soap, a clean towel, and a utility knife. First, remove the ImpactLiner from its box and unroll it on a flat, dry surface, ensuring your ImpactLiner is right side up. Next, remove all bed and tailgate accessories from your truck bed and make sure the truck bed is clean and dry. Then, locate the 2 trimmable rings on the front wall of the ImpactLiner and use the utility knife to trim out the marked sections. If your truck bed includes in-bed cargo hooks, use the utility knife to cut slits in the dog bone-shaped sections located near each corner of the ImpactLiner. Now, place the ImpactLiner into the truck bed. Once placed in the truck bed, use the mild soap and water to clean the area behind each of the trimmed holes and dry with a clean towel, allowing it to dry completely. Then, apply the alcohol wipe in the same area to prep the surface of the truck bed. The TechHold retention device consists of 2 pieces: the ball, which includes an adhesive disc protected by a plastic backing, and the socket, which attaches to the ball. Insert one of the TechHold ball devices through one of the trimmed holes of the ImpactLiner. Then, remove the plastic backing from the TechHold ball's adhesive disc and press both the disc and the ImpactLiner up against the wall of the truck bed. Repeat this step on the other side. Once both TechHold ball devices are properly adhered to the truck bed, press the TechHold socket device onto each ball until you hear a click. When you hear that click, you know your ImpactLiner is secure. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech ImpactLiner is now installed.